Hey guys, TommyBryson here, and today we're going to break down exactly how to build up your credit score automatically, and by far is one of the most important topics when it comes to finance ever, because basically if you don't have a decent credit score, the idea is, well, they'll try to charge you a ton of money, for example, on cars and houses. Everything is basically going to be super expensive if you don't have a decent credit score. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. And by the way, guys, although my credit score right now is a 755, the idea is that guess what? A year ago, just a year ago, my credit score was around 639. Okay, so obviously you can actually get your credit score very fast up, but the idea is all you need to know is exactly what to do and what buttons to basically click. In this video, I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. And if you're new here, guys, I post videos on this channel every single day, so make sure to also stretch it down and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And on top of that, also destroy the like button. Now, the first thing is this, guys, okay? This video is for people that are new to credit, or for example, older to credit, but basically just want to build it up and get a higher credit score. So if you're watching this video right now, this video is for you. However, if you basically have a credit score right now that is damaged from late payments or bankruptcies, this video is not the one for you, and you want to watch another video I posted on how to fix your credit score. And I'm going to link that down below also. Now, let's get right into the video. Number one is basically applying for a credit card and making sure you actually get accepted. Now, if you don't have a credit card history, if you do have one and you're not really sure if you're actually going to qualify for a card, the best way to make sure you can also guarantee you're going to get accepted is by applying for a secured credit card. Now, secured credit cards basically mean that whenever you apply to them, you basically have to give the bank insurance, for example, some money to actually build your credit line. That way they know, hey, if this person defaults on a credit card, we also have their money in there, and that way we don't lose the bulk of our money. So for example, when you open one up, you usually have to give them around $100 or $50 to actually open up the account for you. And once you're done with the account, they give you the money back. So don't worry, you will get your money back, but they're almost like 10 times easier to qualify for than normal credit cards out there. So that's why I'm recommending you apply for a secure credit card. Now, the 3 secure credit cards I actually recommend are basically Opensky if you have a damaged credit score. Not for you guys probably watching this video right now. And number 2 is basically the Capital One secured credit card, and that is just basically you are brand new to credit and you want to make sure you actually get accepted. And number 3, if you have a little history here and there and you also know that you're going to qualify for this one, is basically the Discover secured credit card. But this one is a little bit more difficult to actually qualify for, so I usually recommend you apply for the Capital One first. Now, the idea is this, guys. If by any chance you do get rejected, I want you to call in to the customer service line for Capital One or, for example, Discover, and that's exactly what happened. And make sure you tell them, hey, here is my income, here are my expenses, and I can guarantee I'm going to pay this based on this information right here. And 9 out of 10 times, once they have more information on you, for example, your income and who you are and what you're saying, the answer is they usually do approve your credit card right then and there. And sometimes, usually, the reason they reject you is basically because something might have been filled out wrong in your application with the system. So calling in is always a better chance of just staying with the rejection, okay? So always call in if you do get rejected by the odd chance, which is actually pretty rare. And by the way, guys, before actually applying for these secure credit cards, you want to make sure you get a Credit Karma account to see exactly where your credit score actually is right now. Or for example, go to annualcreditreport.com and get your full credit report for the entire year. And by the way, it's also free. You can request it once a year, and right now during the entire pandemic, you can also get it weekly for free also. So I'm going to link that down below also, and that is annualcreditreport.com, and that way you know exactly where your credit score is right now before you actually go and apply, okay? So make sure to do that before you apply. By the way, again, I use Credit Karma. It works great for me. If you want, you can use the exact same thing, and it's also free. And now, guys, number 2, here is the system to basically build your credit score automatically. So now that you have Credit Karma to basically track your credit score and also your brand new secure credit card, Well, here is the actual system and how it works so your credit score can actually be built for you. So here is the system, guys, okay? So the first thing you want to do is basically you want to write down all the bills you usually pay with your debit card or, for example, your check-ins account. For example, that might include your phone bill, your internet bill, Netflix, Hulu, whatever you pay for, just write it down. And then I want you to call the companies or basically go online and change the payment system from, for example, your debit card to now change it over to your credit card. Now, the reason you're going to do this is very simple. You're going to have all your bills go directly to your credit card, and that's going to help you build your credit score. Now, the second thing is this, guys, okay? Not all of your bills are going to be able to be paid with your credit cards. However, the ones that do allow it, make sure you have them charge your credit card and no longer your debit card or, for example, your checking accounts directly. And once you've done this, I want you to call your credit card company or, for example, do this online and basically set your credit card to auto pay every single month. Not to pay the minimum, but to pay the full balance every single month. That way, every single month, your credit card gets paid in full. But for some of you guys, I want you guys to know this, okay? For some of you guys, if you have, for example, a 9-to-5 job and you get paid weekly or bi-weekly, or some of you even monthly, you want to make sure that whatever day your credit card is actually due, you want to make sure you're going to have money in your checking accounts also. So if it's not the same day, you want to call customer service and have them change the day. For example, if you get paid the 15th, have them change the day to the 16th, and that way you know you're going to have the money in your account to actually pay your credit card in full every single month. And if you can't afford to pay your credit card in full every single month, just add, for example, 3 bills or 4 bills, and that way you can almost guarantee you're going to be able to pay it in full every single month. Because if you don't, it's going to cost you a ton of money in interest every single month, and you don't want to pay extra money to basically pay the bills, okay? You don't want to do that whatsoever. Now, here's why this system right here, as simple as it sounds, is going to work flawlessly when it comes to building up your credit score. Now, as you guys can see right here in this pie chart, here are the 5 things that basically make up your entire credit score that the system is actually doing for you automatically, okay? As you can see, the biggest part of your credit score is basically the payment history and also the amount you actually owe. So by basically putting your payments on auto pay every single month, you're guaranteeing you're not going to have any late payments. And by basically paying the full amount every single month, you're guaranteeing that you're also not going to be owing a ton of money on your credit cards. And that's why the system works flawlessly in order to build your credit score very fast and very quickly. Now, for everything else, for example, length of credit history, new credits, and also types of credit, basically, as time passes and you get older with credit, this is going to be built automatically. But as you can see, okay, it's only around 35% of your credit score, while the other parts we're actually focusing on are around 65% of your entire credit score. And that's why we're focusing on that with this entire system. And we actually get to build your credit score a lot faster by having everything on auto pay and also making sure you pay the bill in full every single month. But although the system works great for building your credit score, guys, it also works great when it comes to maximizing the rewards you can actually get from credit cards. Now, although right now your credit score might not be that high, by using the system in like 6 months or 8 months, you're going to see a massive difference, and your credit score is going to be high enough when you actually qualify for other credit cards out there that offer a bunch of benefits and also a bunch of perks. So for example, right now, one of the best cashback credit cards is the one by Alliant, and it's called Alliant Signature Visa Credit Card. Now, this credit card right here offers a 2.5% cashback every time you spend on anything. So whatever bill you pay, basically, you get back 2.5%, meaning that if you spend $1,000 every single month on your bills, normally, it means that at the end of the year, you would get back around $300 in cash back. However, this cashback credit card right here also has an annual fee of $95, but it still means you basically get $205 for free. That's free money by just paying your credit card bill, building your credit score, and also never paying any interest whatsoever because you're paying the credit card bill in full every single month. And by the way, if you're wondering, Tommy, why would I want a credit card that charges me a $95 annual fee? The answer is, well, some credit cards also come with a lot more bonuses, okay? So for example, this credit card right here also offers no foreign transaction fee. It also doubles your warranty. So if I bought an iPhone, I get to cover it for double the time, and I also get a 90-day purchase protections. And on top of it, you can also get, for example, insurance on your rental car, roadside assistance, and a bunch of other perks. So on top of it having, for example, a 2.5% cash back, it also offers more perks to basically balance out exactly why they charge you that $95 fee. But in the end, you're not paying for it because basically the cash back you get pays for that fee automatically for you. And that is the cool thing. But guys, literally that is about it for this video. As you can tell, the system is very simple, and all you have to do is set everything up automatically. So have all your bills paid automatically and paid off in full every single month, and that way your credit score keeps getting better every single month as you keep paying and paying and paying, and it builds up the most important parts of your credit score, which is basically the amount of money you owe and also your payment history. But guys, that's about it for this video. Comment down below and let me know, was this video helpful in any way? And on top of it, if you have any questions whatsoever, just comment down below and let me know, and that way I'll make a video on it. Also, since I do post videos on this channel every single day. And as always, guys, make sure to also destroy the like button on the way out, and also if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a video. On top of that, also follow me on Instagram, TommyBryson. And on top of that, before I go, if you want to watch a full video on those 3 secure cards I actually mentioned in this video right here, well, here's that video right here. Click my video now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.